Madayaw, mayo adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyo lahat.
Mahalaga ang araw na ito, hindi lang dahil tayo ay nagdiriwang sa pagtatapos. Ito ang regalo ng pagkakaroon ng ligtas na espasyo o safe space para sa ating mga kabataan. Today, we are introducing to you the Learners' Rights and Protection Office. I was introduced to the Child Protection Unit noong mga unang linggo ko dito sa Department of Education. So I started going around the compound of the DepEd Central Office and then went up and down our buildings, and then I found this little tiny space doon sa Bonifacio Building, and may nakalagay doon na Child Protection Unit. And I was happy nung nakita ko na merong Child Protection Unit ang Department of Education, because child protection is really very close to me. There you outline what you really intend and what you want to do to make our schools safe learning spaces for our learner.